Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with a PDF document in Scispace. Now, you can easily upload your PDF documents by looking towards the left hand side. You have your options here. So you have your My Library. You also have the option to choose Chat with PDFs. If you click there, you should be able to quickly upload a PDF document by clicking on Upload and choose a PDF document from your PC. Alternatively, if you have those PDF documents already uploaded, you can find them under My Library and you can easily select a PDF to chat with. So in this case, I can choose a document that I want. So let's say if I want to chat with this CV or this resume here, I can click the chat option here and it says ask a question on this paper. So you can click on that and you will have the option to basically chat with this PDF document. As you can see here, you have the ask question section. You can also toggle on the high quality feature, but keep in mind that you need to have an upgraded account here, not just a free account, but you need a premium or advanced account to be able to use this. And on top of that, if you do want to upgrade, you can use one of my codes. You can get the monthly plan and the monthly plan will cost you 20. But if you check in the description, you can use my promotional code, which is Andrew20, and that's going to give you 20% off. And if you do decide that you want to use the yearly plan, you can also get 40% discount by using Andrew 40 as well. You can find those promo codes within the description of this video, so you can check that out as well. But once you do that, you can now start chatting with your PDF document and use the power of AI to get whatever information you need out of your document and boost your productivity and save time as well. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.